Now we are in Abu Simbel Temple's Aswan in Egypt. This is our entrance ticket. The ticket price is 240 Egyptian pound. Please enjoy this video. There are two temples. The first one is the Great Temple, which is dedicated to Pharaoh Ramesses II himself, and the second temple, a small temple, which is dedicated to his wife Queen Nefertari. The temples are located at Abu Simbel, a small village of Aswan in Upper Egypt, near the border with Sudan on the western bank of Lake Nasser. It is one of the largest man-made lake in the world. The Abu Simbel temples were dismantled and relocated in 1968 on the desert plateau, 64 meters above, 180 meters west of their original build site, due to the construction of the nearby Aswan High Dam. Built in 1244 BC, the 66-foot seated figures of Pharaoh Ramesses II are set against the recessed face of the cliff, two on either side of the entrance to the main temple. The statue to the left of the entrance broke during an earthquake, and its bottom was left intact. Carved around their feet are small figures representing Ramesses' children, his queen Nefertari and his mother, considered to be of lesser importance and are not given the same position of scale. There are four statues seated on a bench. One of the four is Ramesses II, and the other three are Egyptian god. On 2 days of the year, October 22nd and February 22nd, sunlight shines into the inner sanctuary and lights up three statues seated on a bench, including one of the Pharaoh Ramesses II. Historians think these dates mark his coronation and birth. This is the small temple is dedicated to the goddess Hathor. It was built for Ramesses' favorite wife Nefertari. The queen appears on an equal footing with the pharaoh.
Vai.